Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
It's a tale of friendship, and friendship tales are often seen. It's not new to audience in India, especially. So, what makes Yara different?
It's quite new. We haven't had a story on friendship for a very long time. I remember, like, what I can think of, the last movie I saw was Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And that was quite, because why I say this, because it inspired a lot of my friends to do traveling. Chalo bhai, yahan chalte hain, chalo wahan chalte hain. So it was quite inspirational. So I think Yara will do that to our audiences because it's a story of four friends. And every character, like for example, Kenny, this guy, Vijay Varma, Amit Saad, when you watch the movie, you will relate that Kenny is this guy who's this. We have that guy in a group who's intellectual. He's soft-spoken, and he's always like "Ye mat karo, wo mat karo." Then there's an Amit Saad who's like quite flamboyant, he's quite ostentatious, and then we've got a Vijay Varma. So every character you will relate to, that you will have somebody like that in your family or in your friends.
The first time when we are seeing you sharing the screen space with four other lead actors.
Yeah.
Even the role is very different to what you have done so far. So what drew you to the film and the character?
Tigmanshu Dhulia. It's simply that the director is phenomenal. He's the director that I think everybody who's not from Bombay has dreams of making into the industry. You should work with that guy because he's a university. And for me, it was the only reason was Tigmanshu. I just knew that I wanted to work with him. And I'm so glad I did, because when you watch the movie, he's brought a side out of me which was waiting in the wings to come out. I played this character from the age of 20 to 50. So in Tigmanshu Dhulia's expression, देखो विद्युत, जो 20 साल के लड़के होते हैं ना, वो पतले होते हैं. तुम्हारी जो बॉडी है वो छोड़नी पड़ेगी. So I had to lose all the weight. Then like, अरे देखो विद्युत, जो 50 साल के होते हैं ना, उनमें थोड़ा मास होता है, तुम weight gain करो. So we went through this whole rigmarole of gaining weight, like the typical actors do all over the world. But what he did was, he told us that a 20-year-old boy walks in a very different way. The 50-year-olds are more calm, composed. So we went through those nuances, which I don't think I have seen or any of the audiences have witnessed.
Real life में तो आप काफी धूम दिशुम करते हैं, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन विद्युत से कितना सिमिलर है कैरेक्टर?
काफी सिमिलर है. The only thing is he's playing a gangster, which I'm not. But as a person, so the way Tigmanshu cast all of us was, he spent some time with us. He cast people like that. Like Vijay Varma, like I said, he is a guy like that. The way he is playing in the movie. Amit Saad is this. जैसे विजय वर्मा है, उसको लड़की दिखे तो वो जाता है उससे फ्लर्ट करने, और फिल्म में भी वही कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा है. And Amit Saad is also like Kenny is this guy who's calm, composed. We have these people, and he is in real life like that. So what plays me to quite an extent.
So take me also to the bond that you share with the co-stars in this film.
Yeah, I was telling, so while we were shooting, I hadn't met Vijay or Kenny. Amit I knew of course. But when I watched Vijay perform the scenes, I think the third or the second day I told him, dude, तू बहुत बड़ा star बनेगा यार. So he's like, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, ये है वो है. And I remember when Gully Boy, I saw the trailer and then I watched the movie. I was jumping like a young, like I was like, ये मेरा दोस्त है, मेरे साथ से यारा की है यार, अपना जिगरी दोस्त है. So this kind of friendship I've nurtured with these boys. Amit Saad is somebody I've traveled with to different places. We've gone trekking. Kenny, whenever I recently did a road trip to Sam, I called him up. So they are my friends. We made great bonds over there. यार विजय वर्मा क्या है ना कि वो बहुत talented है अभी, and he's genuinely he's an easy boy from Hyderabad, and what he's achieved, he already believes it's quite a lot. So people like this are very happy to be with. Amit Saad, the background he comes from is very different. He's a different species, but he knows how to give love. Kenny उस टाइप का आदमी है जो इतना संयम में रहता है. He's always in control of himself and the surroundings, that he makes you feel very secure. So they've been incredible boys, yeah, and you will see that they will really do very well in life.
Where do you want to take the art of Kalaripayattu to, if I'm pronouncing it right or not?
Thank you. You've done a great job with it. Yes, Kalaripayattu or Kalaripayattu. So, you know, when I joined the film industry, people used to ask me a lot of times, like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to be the biggest action star? I didn't have an ambition like that. What I really wanted to do was, I've been raised in a family. I've grown up in an ashram where I've been taught this form, and it's not a form where you learn to fight. It's a form where you not only learn to fight, you learn to heal people, you learn to diffuse situations. You don't go up guns blazing every time. That's not a real fighter. My ambition was to make Kalaripayattu famous because it's the mother of all martial arts, and I believe that it's time that it gets its due recognition, and that's my ambition. I'm very glad that the world recognizes it now. Now people can at least say that there's an art that comes from India, and I'm fortuitous enough to say that I represent it.